Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing distractions and ensuring the phone is unlocked. This prevents accidental taps. Open Settings and go directly to Display because this is where rotation controls live. Once there, find Auto Rotate or Orientation and pause. Do you see a simple toggle or an advanced submenu? If you have a Quick Settings panel, swipe down and verify the rotation lock icon. Turn it off to allow automatic rotation. Make sure sensors are unobstructed while you proceed to the next steps. You now enable Auto Rotate and immediately test by tilting the phone to landscape. This verifies the sensor responds. If rotation behaves oddly, open any sensor or display submenu and run calibration or enable enhanced orientation features. These correct drift and false positives. Once done, make sure specific apps aren't forcing portrait mode. Close and reopen the app you're testing. If an app has its own rotation option, toggle it so the system setting can take precedence. This avoids conflicting. You finish by performing a full reboot if rotation remains unresponsive. Reboot clears background conflicts. Once restarted, retest rotation across multiple apps to confirm consistency. This tells you whether it's app-specific or system-wide. If it still fails, run a sensor diagnostic app. Check accelerometer and gyroscope readings to spot faults. If diagnostics show hardware errors, back up your data and arrange professional repair, because sensor replacement is often required. One tip: temporary fixes rarely replace proper hardware service when sensors are damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.